Students all over the world aim for impressive grades in school, college or university. But there are some that need an extra push from a tutor to achieve that. Because of this demand, online tutoring is in great demand all over the world today and especially online. Online live tutoring is a method in which lessons are being conducted over the internet. Usually, it is done through different types of software such as Skype. The tutor and the student use their computers, tablets or even mobile phones with a high-speed internet connection and a good headset. Online live tutoring is a great way to make money for those who can teach. You can be paid per hour or per session depending on what your student offers. You can take as many students as possible if your schedule meets each of their needs. If you are working as a freelance online tutor, you're bound to no other time commitments other than those of your students. Usually, you can negotiate the time spent per day and have the freedom to take other jobs at the same time. However, if you work under a company, you must undergo a process of screenings and training, as well as follow a set of rules or guidelines.